Hmm. So I woke up few minutes back. Huh? Time is somewhere around 8:30 a.m. Huh? So actually, I gave my portable to the shop for the recovery. I slept like a baby, but these scammers are sleepless. I'll give you the reason. One of them or a group of them has the portable hard disk. Hmm? They made a deal with that shop, as I could see. They're getting all the data. Hmm? And on the other hand, Bombay people want that serial number. Huh? And people over here already got my innocence about the creation date. But there is one more thing which everyone will put hands on. The nudes which were planted in the portable hard disk to portray me bad. So once in 2022, what happened? When I inserted the portable hard disk in Dell, there was a folder named video clip, and there must be nudes inside planted against me to defame me. So as I opened it, someone from the who has control over Dell and that portable deletes that stuff and looks through that. I shouldn't see it. I shouldn't see it. Hmm? So now that is getting recovered, and only wanted to. I'll only present that nudes in court that the blackmailing was for real, that they were making nudes from hidden bugs from a long time inside my house. That's why I had to go to their prostitution and expose them out, and they are out in this surveillance. On the other hand, the one who don't have hands on the portable hard disk, by getting those creation file dates, everyone are doing the files viral because the serial number will be responsible for making the files viral for last night. They are making the files viral. Just for what you know. Just for some fuck made a deal with that shop like LLB and did the dirty work. And entire people got crazy and they are doing the files viral. So that's why I slept like a baby and they are restless, sleepless. It's not my burden. Who gives a fuck about anyone? My innocence is already out there now. Why do they had to cut the deal? Because there is something, right? I only want that nudes which scammers planted inside, which I didn't know. And when I was searching for it, there might be something. So I was going through all the folders. So this thing happened. So now it's getting recovered, and now court will have that nude. It's getting recovered, and court is having that nude now. Because this happens from a clone behind my back. Now I'll get my hands on that nude. which scammers make in their prostitution racket and inside my house as well with a clone. In my house, I mean the hidden bugs. Now I'll get my hands on that. And files are getting viral because there is not one suspect now. They want to create there are multiple suspects for that thing. Because the one who has control over that thing is the one made nudes. So to save himself, he will spread the files. Like they spread the nudes, they will spread the files. Because the one who did this want to save himself, right? The nude after me from 2012. The one who did this want to save himself. So he will spread the files. That's why I slept like a baby and they don't know what was happening from last night. Because the one who has control on now who is holding the portable hard disk will be responsible for the files viral. File creation date, files getting viral. Because the one who made nudes in Bombay want to save himself now. So he'll put you people into the suspicion and he'll spread the work files, word files everywhere. He wants to save himself for that nudes. And me, I don't even have to give the copyright now. Fight is out there. Just have to make a move.